Hey y'all, so if you don't like screen protectors, this is a perfect video for you. Keep your screen clean. Now, there's a lot of stuff out there, a lot of products to clean your iPhone screen or any screen on your phone, but they're not that good. So I was out this week and I found premium no glare lens cleaner. Now, as you heard, it's a lens cleaner, but you can get them at Walmart, and the best thing is you get free refills for life. So, yeah. So it's premium no glare lens clear. It's only about $1, $2, you know, whatever. Don't cost that much. Just a little bottle. And like I said, free refills. So there you go.
That emotional score.